Namaste. Let's start with the words again, friends. Let's start. The first letter that we'll learn today is Ma. Ma. And this is A. Ma. A ki matra. We learned matra. This is Ma. If you remember, we learned this matra. A. Bada A, big A. This is Ma. Ma is me. Now the next is Ta, chota U, small U, Ma. It's Tum. Tum means you. Next, Hum, Her and Ma is Hum. Hum means we. Now Sab. Sab is Sa and Ba. Sab. Sab is we all. All. Right? Now the next word is Ya. Yeh. Yeh is this. Veh. That. This and that. Now two more words we learn is Nar and Nari. Nar and Nari. I've taken almost same words so that you can relate with each other. Nar is man and woman. Man and woman. Right? This is मैं, me, तुम, you, हम, we, सब, it's all. यह, this, वह, that. Nar is man and Nari is woman. See, at 2-3 places I have used the matras. Here I have used A. Here we'll use small U, tum. Now here Nari, in Nari we have used badi E ki matra. There's 3 matras we have used. So this is how you learn. This 6, 7, 8 words. Just learn these 8 words. This is very important. These are very important, very general words. Read them, learn them. Then we'll go to another section. Happy learning, friends.